Paneth cells and endocrine cells are two granulated cells which are usually present in the crypts of the intestine. So, in histology, how to differentiate these two granulated cells? You can see over here that these are the Paneth cells. There is a crypt over here and there are cells which are arranged over here. So when you see the Paneth cells, usually the granulated side of the Paneth cells are going to be towards the lumen and the nucleus is towards the base, and you can find the granules which are arranged towards the lumen. Conversely, when you can see here, these are the endocrine cells. The endocrine cells, in contrast to the Paneth cells, the nucleus is arranged towards the lumen and the granules towards the basement membrane. Okay, towards the stromal end. So this is the basic difference between these two cells. Now, why is it important to know these two cells? Why is it important to know their location? Because what happens is Paneth cells usually are present only in the small intestine, predominantly in the small intestine. When you move towards the colon, the incidence of Paneth cells significantly decreases. However, when you see Paneth cells towards the left side of the colon, the descending colon or the sigmoid colon, that means that there's a chronic inflammatory process such as the inflammatory bowel disease which might be there, and that is why it is significant to know the difference between these two cells. Thank you.